Hi everyone. So today I'm back with another upgrade for my Cardputer MP3 player. So as requested by many people, they want more detail on the features that it contains. So I'll just make a detailed video for the same. Let's start with the boot menu. So boot menu gives you two options. On this screen, you have to press any button and the boot menu comes. So in the boot menu, you can set it as a USB mass storage mode, or you can reset all your configurations, or you can continue to normal boot. After selecting the USB mass storage mode, you have to connect the Type-C cable to your PC. And this is how your folder should be looking. You can copy your music into any folder. Another feature of the music player is list view. So this is the list that you get for all the songs. You can choose your song directly from here by pressing enter key. Now we'll look through all the menu options. So first, let's start with the brightness. You can adjust the screen brightness with this. Then screen off timing is something you can set your screen timeout here. So if you want the screen to be automatically turned off without stopping your music, it will go off after 30 seconds or 1 minute, that whatever you set. So currently we'll set it as always on. Now resume play on. So this functionality allows you to resume your music wherever you last stopped from. So it has the memory to store all your music. So decwrite is something that you can use to reduce the bit rate of your music, and this will reduce the music quality, but it will also be lighter on your processors, hence it will increase the battery of the Cardputer. Seek value is something that you can manually adjust how much your music should go, should scroll after pressing this arrow key. So you can navigate through your music with this keys. And the seek value is how much you can navigate through that. Let me explain the seek functionality. So here we have set seek as 5. So if I'm just skipping the song a little, it's just go a very slight distance. But when I increase it to, let's say, 20, then you can see it will go to a larger distance. So this is how the seek functionality works, and it works in both the direction, forward and backwards. Now moving on to Wi-Fi settings, we can see two options for that. So Wi-Fi should be on to use the Wi-Fi menu, and Wi-Fi mode will first, there are two modes, STA, that is client mode, and AP, that is host mode. So in the access point mode, this Cardputer will act as a hotspot, and you can connect your laptop or mobile to this Cardputer. And in the client mode, it will connect to your home router network. So we'll first see the access point mode. And for this, we have to configure the Wi-Fi access point settings. So here my Wi-Fi name would be Cardputer Music. I am saving this, and the password would be 128. So now it would start in the access point mode. And you can see this IP address here. Now we'll move to our laptop. First, we have to connect Wi-Fi. So you can see whatever Wi-Fi that we have set up there, you can see the same here as well. I'll keep the password. and enter the IP address here. So this would load this exactly this screen where you can see all your music playlist as well. And you can play your music directly here in your web browser. So you can use this as a Cardputer as your go-to music library on your PC as well, PC or mobile, whatever Wi-Fi device you want to play, you can play music on the go. Now, going on to the client mode, I'll just set up the Wi-Fi network, my home Wi-Fi network here. And I'll enter the password quickly. And the password is now saved. I'll just change the Wi-Fi mode from access point to client mode. And when I'll just restart it, it'll try to connect. Once it's connected to Wi-Fi, it'll automatically go to your music library. And similarly, you can just connect to your home network and it will show the IP address here. So now you have to use this IP. So now you can access this Cardputer library from multiple devices over your local network. Now moving on to our next setting, that is power saver mode. So in the power saver mode, the Cardputer will turn off everything. So in the ultra and basic mode, you can see it will just turn off the Wi-Fi and it will lower the processing power as well. So it will go under low power mode. So it will save more your battery. Moving on to our next setting, that is themes. So I have implemented 4 themes here. You can see these 4 themes are available for you to set for your music player. Now next is a visualizer. So visualizer is something that when you play music, you'll see here. So currently it's classic bars, but I have implemented some other as well. So you can see the waveform line and the circular spikes, and then there is nothing. So in the nothing mode, you can see it's a simple music player. Now next is rescan library. So in this rescan library, it will just refresh all your music on your SD card and it will clear the cache and create a new one. If you want to save your settings into your SD card, you can do export to config to SD, and similarly you can import the same from this option. Now this is the new feature that I have implemented, this playlist one. So here you can simply select your folder as a complete playlist and you can play it here. So it will only play one music folder at once. So you can create folders as your playlist and it will play accordingly. So now if you want to change the playlist, you can simply press the shift button, this one and the forward one. So this will change the folder also. So you can directly jump through your playlist, multiple playlists, just by this shortcut. And if you want to move to all, like the previous view, you can directly go to enter and all music. This will give you complete playlist here.